Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the NuCypher token on the Coinbase Exchange. It's actually very easy and simple to do. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn lots of things to do with the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, let's get into this tutorial. All you guys have to do is go ahead and open up your Coinbase Exchange. So let's go ahead and open that up. Once you're on Coinbase here, you just want to go to this little blue circle at the bottom middle of your screen. Click on that, and then you'll have an option here to buy crypto with cash. So you just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're on here, you can go ahead and type in the NuCypher token, and then click on it. And then right here, we can go ahead and put the amount of currency that we want to spend on this token. So let's just say if we wanted to spend $50, we can go ahead and type in $50. And then there's a box right under it that says one-time purchase. So if you guys just click on that, you have a couple different options if you would like to repeat the purchase. So if you would like to do daily purchases, weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, or monthly, you can go ahead and click that option here if you would like to set that up. If not, you could just leave the one-time purchase like it is right now. Next, you just have to make sure that you have a payment method connected to Coinbase. So if you don't have one connected, you just want to click on this box right here, and then just click on add a payment method. And then you can go ahead and add your Visa or MasterCard or bank card if you'd like to right here. And then you should be good to go. But once you have that connected here, you just back out of here. And then you can go ahead and click on preview buy. Once you click on preview buy here, it's just going to load up a broken down version of a transaction, showing you your fees and your purchase and things like that. So now if you're happy with what you see right here, you can go ahead and click on buy now. And then once you click on buy now, you can just back out of here and go to the main screen, and your NuCypher token will arrive here in just a moment. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the NuCypher token using the Coinbase Exchange. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.